Slush is lots of different people in the startup ecosystem coming together to exchange ideas, to do deals, to learn.
You can really sense and feel the passion that they are here to change the world.
The PwC partnership is super important for us. Joy to collaborate together for many, many years. What we appreciate in PwC is that you understand that we're doing this for the ecosystem and putting the kind of ecosystem and founders first when crafting what we do together year after year.
For me, Slush is a place to be, right? For entrepreneurs, venture capital investors and corporates who are striving for innovation.
Since we have so much opportunities to offer for the ecosystem and we also want to learn from the ecosystem, so I think that's definitely a win-win partnership.